Have you ever wondered why the money in your bank account keep on decreasing steadily every day and you don't know the reason why this is actually happening in your bank account? In this video, I'm going to show you different kind of hidden charges that is being taken from your bank account by your bank, which your bank don't want you to know. Are you ready for this? All right, let's get into it. Welcome to this channel. If you are a returning subscribers, and if you are a new person that is just watching this video for the first time, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe, because here we share important information that will surely help you every day in this country and beyond. All right, let's get into it. So the first charges I want to talk about is what we call current account maintenance fee. CAM fee for short, current account maintenance fee. How does this work? This is only limited to those people that are operating current accounts, be it personal current account or a corporate account with a bank. And what is the standard charges for this CAM fee? So for every debit transaction of 1,000 naira that happen in your current account, the current account maintenance fee is 1 naira. That is to say, 1 ratio 1,000 naira. Let's get practical. Let's say the total amount of debit that pass through your account in a month is 1 million naira. That means the camp fee for that month is going to be 1,000 naira, because it is 1 naira per 1,000, then 1,000 per 1 million. Are you getting the gist? Now you are now getting to know the kind of money that your bank is making off you in your bank account. That is number one. Are you enjoying this? The second one I want to talk about is what we call cash light charges. Cash light charges. How does this work? This is a kind of charges that happens in your bank account, maybe savings account, maybe current account. Anytime you are making a withdrawal that is more than 500,000 naira in a day in your account for personal accounts, CBN is going to charge you nothing less than 3% of the excess withdrawal. Let's make it practical. Let's say you are withdrawing 800,000 naira in a day, and the normal amount you're supposed to withdraw in a day is just 500,000 naira. So you have withdrawn 300 as the excess money for that day. Then CBN is going to charge you 3% upon your 300,000 naira, which is your excess withdrawal on that day. That is what we call cash light charges on a personal withdrawal account. While for the corporate account, once you withdraw more than 3 million in a day, CBN will impose a cash light charges of 5% on the excess withdrawal that you have made on that day. Are you getting this? All right. So this cash light charges is also applicable to every deposit in your account once the deposit is more than 500,000 for a personal account, and once it is more than 3 million for a corporate account. You are also the same rate is also applied to you for the cash light charges. However, as at the time I'm making this video, CBN has actually suspended all forms of cash light charges upon your deposit. That is to say, cash light charges is only applicable to your withdrawals alone. So CBN has suspended all forms of cash light charges upon deposit until further notice. Next hidden charges that is supposed to know that is being taken from your bank account is what we call USSD charges. Anytime you are dialing a code of a bank to transfer money on their USSD platform, you're actually being charged 6 naira 98 kobo. Some bank debit you upon your transaction, while some banks simply accumulate the whole USSD that you have made in a month and charge you at the end of the month. Sometimes it can just be too much, and you see people complaining that why is my bank charging me unnecessarily? The next charges you should also be aware of is what we call ATM maintenance fee. This is what your bank actually charge you because you are using your ATM regularly, maybe to make withdrawals on ATM machine or POS or to transfer. This is why your bank charges you this ATM card maintenance fee. Sometimes they charge you every month, while some banks can charge you quarterly or every three months. The last not the least is what we call alert charges. This is actually commonly known. It is what the bank is charging you for the message they are sending you to inform you about what is going on in your bank account. Alright guys, so in this video, I've been successfully succeeded in telling you almost all the hidden charges that is being taken from your bank account that you're supposed to actually be aware of. I hope you find this video very valuable. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. Don't forget to give us a like button and also subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Thanks for watching. I am your friend Shina Oladele, fondly called Uncle Colorless. See you in my next video.